Hey skiers, snowboarders, and telemarkers. This is Delcie. A lot has happened since I chatted with you guys last. I want to get you updated on what's been going on with episode 4 of On the Way Up. Let's get ready and get out on the mountain. Here we are standing on the Midway Cafe deck just to give you a little perspective of what's going on and where the lower terminal will be. Behind me, they are pouring the footings for that lower terminal building foundation. What a difference a day can make. Here I am standing at the lower terminal. As you can see behind me, the team is now installing the PEX, which will heat the floor. Again, this is going to be the garage where all of the bubble chairs go to take their naps every single night. You saw all the parts and pieces down at the base area. Well, we have moved them up to Midway, which means transported to Midway, and now Western Ranch Buildings is unloading, staging it, and they're actually starting the build on the shiv shop today. Doing a large project on a mountain can be somewhat tricky. Everything has to be transported where it's going to be built. So first step, we transported all the rebar to the top of the mountain. But then after that rebar is in place, it has to get tied. And then comes the concrete. These foundations will hold columns 3 and 4 for the top terminal. And here we have the lower terminal towers. These will also be transported to Midway and then staged in the order that they'll be used in the build. Hey, and another shout out to Mission Ridge for buying the crew lunch from Taqueria Zamora.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching the update videos on the Chair 2 install project. We've enjoyed putting the videos together and we're enjoying putting this chairlift in. Now I want to take some time to introduce you to some of our team members who are rocking and rolling on putting this lift in.
Hi, my name is Delcie Prophet, and I typically work in Ski Patrol. I'm the Assistant Ski Patrol Director for the second year this coming season will be my second year. This season will be my 27th season on patrol, and let's see, it'll be my 30th season altogether at Mission Ridge. My involvement with the Chair 2 project started actually last summer when all of the shipping containers showed up and we were unloading them down at the old Z Meadow Market for storage. And then it has continued with the transportation up here to the mountain, and now rehabbing, painting, grinding, moving, and transporting all the pieces up the hill. So it's been pretty exciting, very varied.
My name's Laura. I am the Base Services Director here at Mission Ridge. I've been working here for 18 years. This will be my 19th winter coming up. And this summer I am, I think I have a title, the parking lot receiving and rehab, which means we're cleaning this new chairlift and painting it and making it all pretty to put up. Coolest thing I have seen this summer is probably just all the departments working together. It's super cool to work with everyone from lift ops, patrol, ticketing, ski school, marketing, who else? Oh, lift maintenance crew, who is orchestrating this whole thing. And just watching Brad and AT put it all together. It's an amazing thing to see.
I think one of the coolest things I've seen is the haul rope coming down on the old Chair 2, and also the portal towers coming down on the old Chair 2. I think that was pretty cool, but you know, the the coolest thing I've seen is the camaraderie, the teamwork that has taken place with all of these employees that do completely different things in the wintertime and are now coming together to put this new lift in. Thanks for joining us for this episode of On the Way Up. Stay tuned and we'll bring you some more updates. Life's exciting here on the mountain. Take care.